usage ng produkto. Ayan. So para humaba ang usage or lifetime ng produkto to
Opo.
our benefit, sumunod lang tayo sa sinasabi ng design.
Opo.
Intindihan po?
Yes po.
Opo.
It is not anymore subject to our conditions. Hindi mo na pwedeng ikatwiran kay Lord. Lord, ba't ko siya mamahalin? Hindi naman niya ako nire-respeto.
Mhm.
Di ba? Hindi mo na
Yes.
pwedeng ikatwiran kay Lord na, Lord, bakit ko siya nire-respeto? Hindi ko maramdaman mahal ako.
Mhm.
Hindi na kayo subject sa ganyang pagko-question. Hindi na kayo entitled. Maybe because you are not applying it, that's why hindi ka nire-respeto. You're not applying the principle of loving and not being harsh to her.
Mhm.
Maybe you're not practicing or putting them into practice yung instructions na respect and submit yourself to your husband. By the way, submission means following your husband's vision because you cannot create two visions in the house. Kaya ginagawa yan during singleness. Okay? Gawin mo lahat ng pangarap mo, pero pag nag-asawa ka na, kung unfinished business man yan, pag-iisahin mo na yan with the vision of your husband.
Mhm.
Because pag nagkaroon pa rin kayo ng individual vision sa inyong pagsasama, there will be a gap between the two of you. You are focused on fulfilling your goal. You are focused, Kevin, on fulfilling your goal. So anong ibibigay sa inyo niyan? Division. You will spend more time talking to people or doing things that will help you achieve your goal. The same as you, Kevin. You'll spend more time talking to people that will help you achieve your goals. Kaya hindi na ideal na dalhin sa marriage ang ating unfinished goals. Dahil pinag-iisa na yan together.
Opo.
At walang gap. Walang space. Kasi pag nagkaroon ng space sa inyong dalawa, because of having two different visions, yung space na yan sa gitna ay favorite na favorite yan ni Satan. Favorite na favorite spot yan ng mga salisigang.
Mhm.
Yung space na yan. Okay?
Opo.
To never create a space between the two of you.
Yes po.
Yes, Father.
So, with all these teachings na sinabi ko, coming from Bible precepts and concepts, they all require following and or putting them into practice. Otherwise, hindi magiging effective ang pre-K na seminar na ito
Opo.
if you don't put them into practice. Okay? And
Mhm.
that's where you can validate na tama pala ang sinasabi ng Bible. Okay?
Yes, Father.
Salamat sa inyong pakikinig, sa inyong participation. Can you share your feedback about your takeaways, realization in this session? Let's start with Vanessa.
Well, first of all, thank you so much, Father, po, for this wonderful session. We didn't really know what to expect sa session, but we actually learned a lot about each other and the things that we have to work on as a married couple, and the things that we should be working on together, bago po kami ikasal, and lalo na kapag kinasal na kami. So thank you so much for that support and the seminar that you've given us today po.
Wala kang doubt.
Wala
No
kang doubt.
doubt
Wala
po.
nang
No
iwan na
doubt
doubt.
po.
Wala.
No doubt.
Clear na ha. Malinaw na lahat ha.
Linaw na po.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. How about you, Kevin?
Opo, Father, first of all, I would like to thank you po sa time nyo, sa pag-accommodate nyo po sa amin para sa pre-K na sa seminar namin. Siguro po masasabi ko lang po na takeaway ko po ngayon, mas naging deeper yung mga gustong iparating nung sa Bible. Lalo na ho nung binigyan nyo kami ng deeper walkthrough sa bawat instances nung sa Genesis readings po. At mas naging clear po sa akin ngayon kung paano mag-lead ng magiging family ko soon. At paano po namin ma-workout ni Vanessa yung mga kailangan naming i-workout as a married couple. Thank you again po, Father.
My pleasure, and you're always welcome. Thank you, Vanessa and Brian. Kevin. Vanessa and
Okay.
Kevin. Teka lang, i-cut short ko lang tong recording.
Apo.
How to